Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I've been drying out some chilies for quite some time, and I think I'm going to try and make some chili flakes. Them seeds. Bring on the heat. So these are called super chilies, apparently. My neighbor actually gave me these, and they were teeny tiny, and I thought, man, they can't be that hot. And took a bite of one, and boy, they were hot. But what we're gonna do is throw these seeds in there with it. Check out these beauties. They've been sitting for a while doing their thing. Grab some scissors. Do it. You guys like cocoa melon? A good chance in any given video of mine there will be cocoa melon playing in the background. So enjoy. I'm going to cut the stems off, throw them in the blender, and see what happens. Maybe a chili powder, not a chili flake. I think I'm gonna throw the seeds in there with it though. I mean, if you want chili powder or chili flakes, you want heat, right? I don't know. That's my thought. They were fun to grow either way. This little plant yielded quite a bit. And that's the last one. Voila. Like I said, I'm gonna throw some of these seeds in there too. Worst case scenario, we'll have chili. Oh God.
Did you breathe it?
Good
What?
God.
What? Can I try what? What?
There we go.
What happened?
I opened it and like kind of got a whiff of it, and it's freaking hot. You want a whiff?
Sure.
You sure you're ready?
Maybe.
You think you're ready?
Maybe.
All right.
I'm gonna try it.
Good God. Alright, don't do it, Tegan. If these chili flakes are that potent, we got to come up with a clever name, because these are gifts.
They are?
Yeah, I'm doing these for the family.
Flakes of poison.
What do you think, Mommy?
She hates them. She absolutely hates them.
She does hate them. By the way, I have to go out to the garage to finish this.
I just needed a little bit.
Alright everybody, the wife sent us outside. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty potent. We opened it up, took a whiff, and it's pretty potent. I'm actually even gonna put a mask on. But for Christmas, we're going to bottle up a couple of these and give them out to our family.
Can I tell them what it is, Dad?
Come on over and tell them what we're gonna call it. Do you remember?
Toxic Waste Chili Flakes.
Toxic Waste Chili Flakes. That's what we're gonna call it. So here we go. I'm gonna mask up because I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty potent in there. Call me a wuss, I don't care. All right. It's chilly out here too, by the way. Get it? Chilly. On the kitchen counter or on the drain board, there was another one of these little jars. It still has like a label on it.
Okay.
Can you bring that out? Because Mom wants some of this for...
True. Thank you. I want one. Yeah. Dad. Did you see what's on your butt cheeks?
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a lot of fun making those. They ended up turning out really delicious. They definitely have some heat. We threw some on some pizza and it was phenomenal. Again, these were called super chilies. My neighbor gave me the plant last season. But we were able to actually find seeds. My wife found them on Thomas's Natural Roots. I'll see if I can find a link and put that down in the description for you guys. We're super excited to grow these again and make some more chili flakes next year. We're gonna look and see what other fun stuff we can do with them, but the chili flakes are definitely delicious and I highly recommend them. Super easy. Just take thread and run it through the stems and let them dry out. I'd say we probably let them hang for a couple months and let them dry out, throw them in the blender, and you're all good. I have seen where people will dry roast them in a frying pan, and but we didn't do any of that and they turned out great. So definitely recommend it and look forward to doing it again this year. Thanks.